I've never done a pit before. I mean, it's all kind of like...
You're welcome, you know, anytime.
Yeah, you're my guinea pig. I gotta learn somehow.
I hope you laugh like this the whole time. Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not very professional, is it? We can't see.
Nervous as I am.
I'm kind of nervous, yeah. Oh, it's gonna be an easy one. Easy rip, girl. You ready? All right, I got it. Let go. Let go.
No.
You want me to count? You want me to just
No.
just do it?
Yeah. Oh no, that was not. No. Which is weird, but
Like when I pull, what do you do with people with big boobies? Because it's like
Yeah.
the boob's in the way when I pull. Maybe that you like
You
have
gotta
to
hold
turn
it.
on the side. All right, ready?
What's up, guys? So obviously by now you can figure out what type of video this is. So just a little quick disclaimer, I'm not an esthetician, I am a cosmetologist, which means I am technically licensed to wax. However, I have just started body waxing myself the past year. If you've seen my husband's video, it shows I've done a little back waxing before. So this is actually my very first wax on someone else besides myself and my husband. So this is my good friend Bailey. She's been in a lot of my videos on here. If you followed my channel, you probably recognize her. She was very kind enough to let me film this process and let me practice on her, because maybe one day I might start doing body waxing as a service in my shop. But for now, you know, just on good friends, myself, my husband, that kind of thing. So please hit that red subscribe button, give it a like, and let's jump right into it.
All right, your job to take the mind off pain, if there is any. I haven't done underarms on myself. You're gonna watch and make sure you're in focus.
oh my god.
Okay?
Okay.
And then a little bit of this. It's not very professional, is it? Alright, are we ready?
No, fuck no. No, you're not. No.
It's gonna be fun. So pretty though. Oh, we can't see. Is it hard?
You as nervous as I am?
I'm kind of nervous, yeah. Just me tracking. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. Hold your pit. It's gonna be an easy one. Easy rip, girl. You ready? All right, I got it. Let go. Let go.
No.
I got it! I promise. You want me to count? You want me to just
No.
do it?
Yeah. Oh no, that was not. No. Okay, yeah, no, that was not bad.
Not bad.
Whew. And I said, no, look at this video that Heather sent me. And as soon as that video popped up, he's like, ooh, no, I cannot watch this.
You couldn't watch it?
No, because that lady let her armpit hair
Oh,
go
yeah.
out.
You're a bleeder.
Sorry.
That's it.
There's a
I
lot of
bleed
blood
like
flow
I bleed
there,
right
though.
here, not down here, because my hair's way thicker right there. That one hurt a little bit.
A little bit more.
That one seemed like it hurt a little bit more.
Yeah, that one hurt a little more. It still doesn't hurt though. It just, I mean,
It's not a great feeling,
but I'm
but
not like, yeah, do it again.
damn, it comes way up here, doesn't it?
Mhm.
This is fun. I so want to start doing this. Okay, ready? It's
Yep.
gonna be 2 pulls.
Okay.
I'm gonna stop and pull the rest.
Okay. That one hurt.
It worked though.
Bam. Ew, it's so gross. Just my hands.
Just your hands.
Oh my god, my hands are sweating so much.
Armpits are easy.
Yeah, this is not bad.
I'm gonna start having fucking waxing parties. Pulling it out from the root, so that's a good thing. Temperature okay?
Yes, ma'am.
It's so pretty. The wax is just so pretty and fun to look at. 1, 2, 3.
Do that.
Back. I'll just have to take after pictures of them. We're rather large areas, so we're just gonna do a small section at a time here. Like when I pull, what do you do with people with big boobies? Because it's like the
Yeah.
boob's in the way when I pull.
Yeah.
Maybe that you like
You
have
gotta
to
hold
turn
it.
on the side.
Hold it out of the way.
All right, ready? You're confused.
That was kind of hurt.
Oh, this one kind of swirls a little.
Oh no, a cowlick in the armpit hairs. I said, oh no, calyx in the armpit hairs.
Almost choked on my gum.
You almost just made me throw up.
Hi there. Did you get my message? I was running just a little behind. I'm waxing my friend's armpit. So, I mean, she's not saying any dirty words so far, so.
So far, so good.
Yeah, she's getting married this weekend, so she's like, I really want my armpit waxed, and
I really don't want to worry about armpit hair.
We've had a full morning of hair and now waxing.
Hair and no hair.
Yes.
Exactly. And we're filming it too, so we got a little camera.
Nothing like zooming in on this.
This wax is really pretty though. I'm excited. I haven't been to a wedding in a really long time. Like I did
That you get to like be
like get to be at. You know, I'd just go to do makeup or whatever and I'd leave. I'd kind of be like, oh, can you let me stay?
Can I just stay and like watch?
Eventually it just, there's no more, right?
At 6 we might be close.
Professional. I'll put it on a cotton pad.
Okay.
Instead of just
It tickles so bad.
I really didn't like
Did this one bleed like the other one?
a little bit right there, but really not bad at all. See, you have a little bit of like little bumps right there, but nothing down there.
I just wanted to throw this in here really quick for those of you that have never done any type of waxing. Usually after you wax, you're really red, and sometimes you see these little patches pop up on your skin, little bumps. They go away after a few hours. I'll just show you a picture she sent me later that night. Obviously, she's not red at all, so if you're thinking about waxing from this video, just keep that in mind that you do see a little irritation right
Look
afterwards.
at them smooth pits.
I know.
So some of y'all might not like to see this, but I wanted to show the hair that we removed. It got it good. I loved this new wax that I've been playing with. It's called Mermaid Wax. I'll link all their website, Instagram information down in the description, so make sure to check that out. I think I'm going to demo their beautiful blue wax next. I might do like an arm wax on myself and show you guys. So make sure you subscribe, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.